So why do you want to greet me now?
No. I was so busy, boy. I was running all over, boy.
Now, the thing is, you want to learn how to drive.
I want to learn how to drive.
So if I finish teaching you, you will be able to drive private jets.
What's going on here?
You will be able to drive helicopter. I can
that.
If I finish teaching you, you'll be able to fly aeroplane. You see this P here? P is for people. Or maybe you have a pretty lady in the car. Now, we have R is for rest.
Rest.
Yes. Or maybe you want to rewind. Back to N. N is for normal people. Like if you have a normal people in the car,
So I can
you
put it here.
you just put it as N.
And
It will
N
work
for
you.
normal people.
So now the last but not the least is the D.
D.
You see this D, you see it as positive and negative. So now, if you put it at D, that means you have to drive it at daytime.
Only daytime.
Only the daytime. You cannot drive it at night.
Okay.
So now let's go. Come and try the car.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing.
Put it on any one of your choice.
I want to rest.
You want to rest?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let's put it.
This evening you will die.